What's up, you guys? So for today's What's Up Wednesday, I'm going to review and test out the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. So I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. So I'm really excited about it, and that's why I look like a naked mole rat. Is because I don't have any brows on. So I'm going to be reviewing this for you guys, and I'm super excited because it says it lasts up to 2 days. So yeah, we're going to just jump right in. Alrighty, so to go into detail about this product, it is by Maybelline. It's a Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel, and it says it can last up to 2 days, so it's like a tinted spoolie thing going on. They do have 4 shades. The 4 shades are blonde, soft brown, medium brown, and deep brown. I got the deep brown, so I got the deepest shade that they offer. I'm not too sure if it's going to be like deep enough because my hair is pretty jet black, so we'll see how well the pigmentation is. It does claim to have really good pigmentation. It also claims to be smudge proof, transfer proof. I am going to be testing it out on camera for you guys right now, and then later tonight whenever I do take off my makeup, I will be checking in with you, and then I'll check in with you in the morning tomorrow as well. So we can see if it does last up to the 2 days and see how well this product really works. This product retails for $12.99 on the Maybelline site and on Ulta, but I actually picked this up from Target and it was $9.99, and then I saw online that at Walmart it is $8.49 right now. So the prices do vary. It looks like Walmart has the best price for this product if you do want to go check it out. It does have a rating of 4 at all 4 places: Ulta, Target, Walmart, and the Maybelline website. So out of 5 stars, it is given a 4. And so on this video here, I will be rating it on a scale from 1 to 5 as well. So I give it a good overall rating for you guys. So yeah, let's get on to testing this product out for you guys, so I'm not talking your ear off. I do have some like steps on here, and then there's also like a video going on YouTube about like how to apply it. It does say to apply it onto clean brows. I do have some makeup on, so I'm gonna just be using this Sephora makeup remover and a Q-tip to remove any makeup that's on my brows right now, so I can give it a really good shot on if it works or not. I just quickly wiped off the makeup that was on my brows, so I'm applying it to clean brows. It does say for the next step to define your brows like the way you like it, so it's easier to map out where to put the product of the Maybelline Tattoo Studio liner or tint. I'm going to be using this product as well from Maybelline. It's the Total Temptation Brow Definer, and mine is in deep brown, so I hope it works because I really do actually like this brow pencil. So this will be kind of like a review for this too. So I'm going to be just defining my brows with this, since this is the next step in the process they want you to follow or recommend you follow. So I'm going to just define my brows like I would normally, and then kind of go from there. Alrighty, so sorry if there's some background noise because it is super windy outside right now. But I just quickly filled in my brows, not like super precise or anything like that. I tried to kind of like do it a little bit, not sloppy, but like not as I would normally do it if I was doing like a full glam look, because we are going to put this tinted stuff over it. So I just defined it to I feel like natural as I could, just like sparse areas and stuff like that. So now we're going to go in with the sky. I believe the next step is to apply this to your brows. Oh, so it came with an extra spoolie. I don't know if I'm supposed to do something with that. I just spoolie my brows out just now. And so yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. And It's like in a squeezy almost bottle. And then it just comes out just like that. So with this product, it does say to wipe off the excess just like this so you don't get the like too much product on your brush because it is a very pigmented product. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I wiped off any excess that I do have, and now I'm gonna just be applying it like normal, like a normal brow setter kind of thing. And it does say to use the tip to define this outer portion of your brow. This brow to this brow does look darker already, and I love like the shape that it gets. It's pretty precise. I would wish like the tip was a little bit more precise because I do have to clean up underneath here just a little bit. My good brow, and obviously this is my shit brow. It does recommend that you clean up any excess of the product as well. Because obviously it's like I guess it would be kind of like a stain or something like that. But see how this tail got kind of like thick compared to this tail? I just wish this spoolie was like a little bit more precise on like the end part so I could get a really nice crisp line, but for the most part, looks pretty good. Alrighty, that's what my brows look like all finished. Obviously my brows are not the same. I'm going to clean up my brows just a little bit with this Sony Kashik concealer. So I'm going to clean it up just a little bit so I give it a fair shot. Clean up that brow. That's my worst brow application like ever. Alrighty, so it does say to blend with the blending spoolie. So I'm just going to go through and blend out. Alrighty, that's what my brows look like with a little bit of definition and the Maybelline Brow Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. It does say that it is waterproof, so we'll see throughout the day if it stays all day. I will check in again with you tonight whenever I'm taking off my makeup to see how well it stays while taking off my makeup. And again tomorrow to see if it does last up to the 2 days. The final step is to allow this to dry, so I'm going to just let this dry, not touch my brows at all, and I will check in with you a little bit later on tonight to see how well it's holding up and kind of give you my thoughts about it at that time. So far, I feel like it applied really well. I feel like the pigmentation is actually there because I haven't used a brow tint that makes my brows look this good with like just filling it in. So usually like my usual routine is to use like a brow pencil or something like that, and then I actually go on with powder on top of it, like a black powder, to set it, and then after that I actually use like a brow setter like the Anastasia clear brow gel. I usually use that after that. So that's like my whole process in doing my brows. Right now I like how it looks. Like I just used this and the Brow Studio, and I really like it. I think like the pigmentation's there. I will say that my brows, it might not give you like a super fluffy effect. My brow hairs do look thicker, they do look darker, but it does feel a little tacky. But again, I probably need to let them dry. So I'm gonna let them dry and see how it feels tonight. But my brow hairs look like they're gonna stay in place all day long, and yeah, I like how they look. I'll give you a little bit more of my thoughts tonight, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alrighty guys, so now it is 11:22 and I've had my makeup on for about 9 to 10 hours. So as far as my brows go, I don't think that they've transferred or smeared or anything like that all day. They've kept their, I guess, vibrancy and like opaqueness. So I think that's good. I do feel like it's like tacky. So one thing that I'm gonna do is I got a little tissue, And I'm going to press it and see if there's any transfer, because it does say that it's transfer proof as far as this product goes. So I'm going to just try that on both brows and see what happens. So you probably can't even tell. There is a little bit of transfer. Now that could have been from the brow product, brow pencil, but it does feel tacky and like sticky kind of. So that's like a little different. It's kind of like tacky and sticky. I might have applied too much product, and that might be why. Overall, my brows do look thicker. They stayed all day long. They didn't lose any of their of its opacity or anything like that. So yeah, I actually like this so far. The one last thing I am going to try is to see if it is going to last until the next day. So I'm going to take my makeup off, kind of like my normal routine as far as taking my makeup off, and I'm just going to not makeup wipe my brows too much. I'm going to just kind of slide over easily, but it does say it's waterproof. I doubt it's makeup remover proof, because obviously it's makeup, but I'm going to see how well I can do without really touching it too much, and kind of just see if it lasts into the next day, or if my pillow is just full of eyebrow smears or whatever. So we'll see how far it lasts us into tomorrow, because it does say it can last up to 2 days, but 9 to 10 hours is a pretty good brow day. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and as far as tonight, good night. I'll see ya mañana, because I'm friggin' tired and I need to wash this makeup off. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video vlog style, because I was trying out my brows and all that stuff. So I just kind of wanted to give you a real ending review kind of thing. And I look so bad because I was running errands and your girl tired, okay? So anyways, as far as my brows, this is actually what they look like. I did define the tail just a little bit because I had to, because I was running errands today. But overall, I do feel like the product did work. I did feel like it was super pigmented. It did transfer just a little bit, but that could be reduced by using a lighter hand. I probably used too much of a heavy hand. So yeah, and then as far as lasting all day into up to 2 days, I don't know about that, because I washed my face and I tried not to touch my brows as much, but I did have to define it today at least a little bit. That's why they look kind of a little cray-cray. But I would say that maybe if you were a very fair skin tone or something like that, they would stay into the next day. But I definitely don't. Just how much we take off our, my normal routine is to take off my makeup every night and wash my face and all that stuff. So I just don't see it lasting 2 days, just because of that simple fact, pretty much. Overall, I do give this product a 5, because I think for one, it was super pigmented. Pretty much all of the claims were met. If it weren't for the simple fact that I wash my face and take my makeup off every night with makeup remover, it would totally work in up to 2 days, I think. So yeah. So those are my final thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you did make it this far, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys soon. Bye!